I found a platform where you can get Seedance 2.0 completely free and unlimited, no credits, no subscription needed. I even compare Seedance 2.0 with Kling 3.0 and create a short cinematic movie using Seedance 2.0. I'm going to show you everything step by step, so make sure you pay close attention. Now, let's dive into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called Video Inno AI is your all-in-one AI tool where you get a wide range of video generation features. You can generate videos up to 30 minutes long with 100% consistent characters. I've already made detailed videos about all these features in my previous uploads, so you can check those out. As you can see, they've announced that Seedance 2.0 is now available for everyone completely free. And if you want faster video generation, you can simply switch to Pro mode. This is the Tools section, where you get access to all image and video tools. Using Nano Banana Pro, I generated all these cinematic short images. First, I created a base image, then used that image as a reference to generate a 9-shot grid image for the scene, keeping the character fully consistent. After that, I extracted all the shots using the image-to-image feature. All these shots were generated using Nano Banana Pro because this is the only image model that can literally generate anything. You also get Seedream 4.5 for images, and for videos, you get Seedream 2.0 completely free, without spending a single penny. Video Inno also offers a Pro model that can generate videos much faster, along with access to all other top video models, including the newly released Kling 3.0, which I'll compare with Seedream 2.0 in a bit. Now, Seedream 2.0 comes with 3 main features: text to video, image to video, frames to video. With the frames to video feature, you can add both a start frame and an end frame. I'm using the Pro model here for faster generation. Let's use the frames to video feature for our first scene. I'm using this image as the first frame and this image as the second frame. Then I paste my prompt, select the video resolution, and choose the duration. You can generate videos up to 15 seconds, but for this one, I selected 6 seconds. There's no need to change anything else. Just click generate, and here is the result.
Titan was peaceful. Once.
See the result, it's absolutely amazing. The transition between the first and last frame is smooth and perfectly natural, with no awkward jumps at all. The motion feels cinematic, the consistency is spot on, and honestly, it looks like a professionally edited scene rather than an AI-generated video. Now let's try image to video. I select this image and paste my prompt. I always recommend using a simple prompt, because simpler prompts usually give more accurate results. As you can see, I mention voiceover in my videos, not lip sync. I'll add lip sync in the next scene where it's actually needed. The rest of the steps are the same, just select your settings and click generate. And here is the result.
I saw the end before it began.
See the result, it looks great. The camera movements are super professional, and as you can see, the same frame feature gives amazing results. To be honest, other video models don't achieve this level of consistency. Usually, you have to rely on the frame feature. But in Seedream 2.0, that's no longer necessary. Now, let's check the lip sync quality. I'm using this image and pasting my prompt, where I added dialogues and specifically mentioned that lip sync is needed. Then I click generate, and here is the result.
Resources are finite. Titan will not survive.
The lip sync is excellent. It even adopts emotions and facial expressions, and the voice sounds natural, not robotic. Using the same image to video and some frames to video features, I converted all the scenes into videos. Then, I merged them together in CapCut, and here is the final result.
I saw the end before it began.
Resources are finite. Titan will not survive.
You refuse to listen. The universe corrects imbalance. Mercy is weakness. Balance was denied. I am him. Inevitable.
See the result, it's outstanding. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can create videos even better than mine. You just need to add a little creativity. Now, let's compare Seedance 2.0 with Kling 3.0. I'm using the same prompt on both video models, generating the videos, and here is the result.
Pro Secret is the best for learning AI.
Pro Secret is the best for learning AI.
Both video models gave great results, but I want you to tell me in the comments which one you think is better. You can use Seedance 2.0 on Video Inu completely free, but the free version comes with slower generation. If you want to create high quality and fast content, you can choose the Pro model. The subscription is very reasonable, giving you access to all image and video models in one place at a cheap price. I'll provide the link in the description, so go check it out and start creating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.